Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to manage the notifications settings on your SoundCloud account easy and quickly. So first enter SoundCloud and then click on the library, then click here on this settings icon and then go to the notifications. So as you see here, if you want to enable this on, just click like this and it will be enabled. So this so the other settings here, this is email notifications. So the same thing if you wanted to enable it all or disable it all. So this is up to you. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.